Hi friends, welcome to Dashing Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare a special sweet recipe using white pumpkin called pumpkin halwa. So let's get started and check the recipe. Here I have 1 kilo of white pumpkin. Let's peel the skin and grate this using a grater. Our grated pumpkin is ready. Now let's drain all the water from the pumpkin. Into a clean kitchen towel, add all the grated pumpkins and squeeze all the water from it. Make sure the water is completely squeezed out. After squeezing out all the water, let's remove and keep it aside. Now let's roast the cashew nut and raisins. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add few cashew nuts and roast until it turns golden color. Once it turns golden, add the raisins. Once the raisin starts plopping out, remove them and keep aside. Now to make the halwa into the same ghee, let's cook the pumpkin. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of milk. Combine everything well. Let's cover and cook the pumpkin. This approximately takes 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's open. Pumpkin is cooked very well. Let's add half cup of sugar and mix until sugar is dissolved. The sweetness can be adjusted according to your taste. Let's cook until all the excess moistures are evaporated and it get well combined with the pumpkin. For extra sweetness, you can add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. This is optional. And continue to mix. To get nice color to our halwa, I am adding few strands of saffron soaked in hot water. At this stage, let's add 3 tablespoons of ghee and combine well until you see it gets separated from the pan. Let's finally add some more ghee and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and continue to mix. Now let's add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and mix well. Our halwa has been cooked very well now and it has reached the right consistency. Now let's add all the fried cashew nuts and raisins. And now you can see our halwa is ready and it really looks delicious. Let's serve it to a bowl. Please do try this easy and delicious pumpkin halwa and give me your feedback and comments below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell button for all the notifications. Thank you. Bye.